So excited, guys. My box finally got here. I'm about to show you guys what the box has inside. So you can see it's right here. So yay. So sorry for so much movement of the camera, guys, but only got 2 hands. No, not this one. Yours is in the kitchen. I'll get it in a minute when you're done eating, okay? Sorry, the kids are over here talking. And so let's head to my room so you guys can see. I don't even know why I'm turning that on. It's not even nighttime. Give me a second. Okay, guys, so here we go. I'm gonna open the box so we can see what's inside. Okay, trying to figure out which way it opens. Okay, yeah, it does. Okay, we got one side open. Yay! So we will see what we have right here. Oh, it's a box within a box. Cool. Alright, so this is the box, as you guys can see. Well packaged. Galaxy Burst. 0 sugars, 0 calories, 12 pack. So now let's see. Ooh. So here we go. Some stickers. And t-shirt. Then on the back says Raze Rebellion. And in the front says Raze Energy. Okay. Now let's see what else we got in here. Oh, I actually tried this one on Friday, this past Friday. It's sour gummy worms. It was really good. I like this one. And this one, I actually tried it yesterday. And it's Baja Lime, 0 sugar. I actually like that one too. Can't wait to try Galaxy Burst and Voodoo. So we'll see. Oh, cool. So this one says Rep Sports, Race Energy, Performance Driven Results. Cute. So let's see what else is in here. Oh, I can use this one for when I go to work. So it's a little, I don't know if you want to call it a bag or backpack. It says hashtag Raze Rebellion. So I can use it for when I go to work and put my stuff there. And then this one is for cups or bottle, which I think I'm going to use it for this one so it won't get hot. It says Raze Energy on this side, and on the other one says Demand More. Let's see what else. What other goodies are in here? Okay, that's it. Those are phones. Okay, this one is the Hyper Sleep Performance Sleep Aid. It says Growth Sleep Support, 1 serving vanilla soft served dietary supplement. Rapid injection. So we got one of those. And then we got, oh, another one. This one is a hyper sleep, and then it says the same thing, performance sleep aid, grow sleep support, but this one is sour gummies. And in case I didn't say it, this one is vanilla self-serve. So, and then this other one, it says nuclear pre-workout fuel, broken arrow, 1 serving, atomic energy, laser guided focus, exclusive pump, lime ice, dietary supplement. And gotta try that one. This one says the same thing, nuclear pre-workout, broken arrow, same thing, 1 serving, spike punch. Ooh. Gotta try that one too. This one says sour gummy worms, Raze energy on the go, 0 sugar. Says hydrating electrolytes. And this one is the same flavor, sour gummy, 0 sugar, 0 calories, on the go. Gotta try this one. This one says only people that are 18 and up can take this stuff. So that was it. The rest of it is nothing but peanuts, you guys. So hope you like it. So I'll see you later, guys. So we'll see on the next box that I ordered what stuff we got. For now, I am going to